Introducing the Benchtop Thickness Planer by POWERTEC. This powerful planer is specifically designed to repurpose and bring your old, worn-out wood back to life. A powerful 15-amp motor enables it to take on a wide range of big and small woodworking projects. It flaunts a 2-blade cutting system with a precision steel cutter head that generates 18,800 cuts per minute, providing you with a quick and efficient wood planer tool. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. From building a workbench to the bed frame, this workhorse excels at delivering a flawless finish. For added convenience and versatility, this device features side-mounted carrying handles, allowing you to take this portable planer wherever it is needed. Includes easy blade replacement with index pin setup, spindle lock for safe blade change, professional workpiece roller assistance for extra long boards. 4-column design provides greater precision and stability while reducing snipe. 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Function. This portable thickness planer serves as an essential tool and workhorse for a wide range of professional and DIY woodworking projects, specifically designed to repurpose wood while giving it an extraordinarily smooth finish. Number 2. Effective. Has a heavy-duty, anti-wobble base that's ultra-sturdy, providing a non-marring benchtop planer surface that will support an assortment of plain boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Number 3. Powerful. Combines an impressive 15-amp motor with an innovative 2-blade cutting system that delivers deep cuts into your hardwoods and more. Number 4. Quick. A stainless steel precision cutter head allows this planer to deliver over 18,800 cuts per minute with a 9,400 RPM. Number 5. Product warranty. Includes a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty for quality assurance, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.